Hello friends, welcome to Stock Market Pulse. I am Nitika. Let's check the pulse of stock market. So in this video, first of all, we will discuss the RBI MPC outcome which came on 9th April. Then we'll go to the Nifty 50 chart and analyze the chart for the last week, and then we'll discuss the level for the next week. So to know the Nifty 50 level for next weekend, for the stock market update, stay connected till the end and smash the like button and subscribe the channel for regular index levels update and stock market update all in one video. So let's quickly start the video with the important data which came from the RBI. And in that, first of all, the number one is again, the RBI's monetary policy MPC has announced the repo rate cut by how much? By 0.25%, means by 25 bps. And now new repo rate is 6%. Earlier it was 6.25%. Now it has become 6%. So this is a very good news for the market, because again one rate cut has been announced by the RBI. And this was actually good news, but stock market not reacted on this because it was very much expected. Now number 2 data is RBI cuts the GDP growth estimate for 2026, financial year 2026, and it is now 6.5%. It means the GDP growth estimate is now 6.5% from the 6.7% percent. तो GDP growth estimate को lower किया गया है from the 6.7% to 6.5%, which is little bit we can say, yeah, negative. Now, number 3 data is RBI's CPI inflation forecast. Yes, CPI inflation forecast data for financial year 2026 for RBI has revised it, and now it is lower to 4% from the 4.2%. In last year it was 4.2%. Now it has come to the 4%, which is actually good sign, positive sign that CPI inflation forecast is now little lower. These was important data. So many other data also you can go through the MPC outcome, but I have discussed in short the only important data which is very important. First the rate cut, then the GDP growth estimate, and the CPI inflation forecast. So we'll discuss these data's effect on the stock market, and then we'll go to the chart of Nifty 50. But before that, one important news also I want to share, which is, as you know, that tariff war is going on in geopolitical situation. The US has imposed now 125% tariff on China. There is going to be head on between the US and the China. They are continuously increasing their tariff rates and all. And US, now this is final latest news, latest tariff I'm discussing. I don't know tomorrow what will happen, what will be that new tariff rate, but yes, for the now, for the current tariff rate from the US to China on their China's export, it is 125% tariff on China. And in this tariff, the China has also retaliated, and it has imposed again the 125% on US export also. One more important news also there, that US has paused its tariff for next 90 days, like for 3 months, uh, at least I think more than 70s country except China. Yes, and this is again going to be big news, and for that market also reacted on that. So these all these things, tariff war and trade war, all these things is going on. There is no surety now. It's very very, market is very very uncertain. So let's quickly go to the chart and I will show you what was happening this last week. As second 9th April was the tariff day. टैरिफ जो स्टार्ट हुआ था, टैरिफ ऑन दिस 9th April, the tariff was started on every I think most of country. And this happened on 9th. This is 9th, 7th April, 8th April and 9th April, yes, here. So this day market, you see properly on the on in the chart that I have drawn these 2 3 lines, which is very important. And this curve is also this line, blue line, is also very important. Please understand what I want to say. What happened on 4th April? 4th April, Friday, last week, last week, not this week, last week, the market closed at its support, which was 22,800 to 900. That I always keep discussing. This 22,800 is a very very important support, which is this support. Yes, here it here, which is now I will discuss. So this 22,800 to the 22,900 was a very important support. And this Friday even market was negative, closed even it was very negative. And this, you can see this candle, big candle, and but still it has given the closing above this support 22,800. It was little bit satisfactory, but it was not very good indication for the Monday, for the next week. So it was unexpected that this much gap down will happen. Yes, and it happened because of the China imposed the tariff on the US. And the US market was actually fell drastically. It was actually was nose diving only. So on this day, it has closed. This week went. Then on Monday, the next week, see the how much, 1,000 around more. At least even 1,100. Yes, more than 1,000 point the market open gap down. This was the opening. 21,750 around was opening after the 22,800 around close. But after opening that on this level, quickly market has recovered on this level. And see how beautifully it has recovered, and it reached to this level. And above that this was the support line I have drawn. Till here it has given the good closing. Okay, and then next day again it gave the gap up opening from here. And then it has closed here, this. And this is the big trend line I have drawn, you can see. And how beautifully this market is respecting. See here it has closed. This trend line is now resistance. And here it has closed. And the next day it was a small pause. And then the Friday, Thursday was off. And then the Friday again gap up opening, because of market, because of this 90 days pause, US tariff pause. And the US market was also good, was cheering up. So this happened on Friday, the gap up opening and very good candle. But still it could not manage to break this 22,008 to 22,900 level. Okay, so this trend line is now again a very good um, support, has become a very good support now. And I have discussed all the scenario for the last week, you can see here. And then gap up opening, then pause, and then again gap up opening and closing below the resistance level, which is showing that still market is in not good condition. It's still market can take reversal from here. Okay, but this whole week was very sharp fall and then recovered very beautifully till here. Okay, so now we can say that uh, this can act like a support again, which I have not drawn here, but this line, you can see this is around, if I say the round figure, 22,600. 22,600 again will be a very very strong support, 600 to 700. And if it is Nifty 50 breaking this 22,600, then again this support is here, will act as a good support, which is 22,350. Yes, because of very very uncertainty going on, I cannot say that what will happen on Monday, and then market again go down, and I don't know anything. But yes, for me, for the current scenario, for the current chart, for the technical levels, whatever I know, I can say this should be a good support for the Nifty 50 for next week. And rest is in in the hand of the Trump, which is actually now market is depending on the Trump mood. So see what is going to happen next week, because every single day he gets up and do the new things. So this is the support for the, as technical analysis, this should be a good support for the 22,350 for the Nifty 50. So all in all, if I'll go, and yes, if it is breaking, the second option is also there, that if it's breaking this 22,900 to 23,000, is a psychological resistance also. So if it's breaking 22,900 and 23,000 here, and then of course it may go to the 23,400 level, which is again a 200 EMA also. So 23,400 is the next level after breaking this 23,000. So abhi ke liye now I am sticking to this level, but yes, I am definitely going to mention all other level also, which you should keep in your mind and you should note down. All in all, the Nifty 50 level for the next week can be support 22,600, and then 22,350, and resistance 23,000, and then 23,400, which you should keep in your mind. So this I can discuss in short all the news and the information important data, important information about the stock market and this Nifty 50 level. So like and share the video for the more reach, and subscribe the channel for regular index level update and stock market update. And yes, the next video is coming up. And yes, the next video is coming up for the Nifty bank levels also, and some important global data and global market scenario also. So keep watching those video also, and stay connected, and signing off.